Hello, sister. This message is for you. You know, we all are going through life and we have different experiences. We have some moments that are very happy and we have some moments that are not so happy. But sometimes we realize that we get into patterns, some negative patterns, and we think, why is this happening to us? Like, why do we step on the same stairs all the time and we expect different results, but we always end up with the same things? And I think I know how to help. I know for sure that our lives and our bodies, by the way, as well, they're results of the traumas and concepts that we carry. We carry them through life. They may start in their childhood. They may start in later in life. Some of them are caused by traumas that we experience as kids, as adults. It doesn't matter, as teenagers. But I know for sure that these concepts and these traumas, they result in issues, in problems. And I decided that I want to help women out there to create different reality. I decided that I can help with releasing these traumas and these concepts and replacing them with the concepts that actually will create totally different experiences, totally different life for you. And I actually know how to do it. And I wanted to share with you that I created this course where we're gonna go through a lot of these things and we're gonna clear them. We're gonna clear these traumas. We're gonna go really, really deep and we're gonna find what's at the core and we're gonna clear that stuff. We're also gonna create a circle of friends, circle of love, and a circle of support where we're gonna share everything together and we're gonna create a safe space where we release all the troubles and we start creating new reality that's going to be very good. And I know for sure that our normal state is happiness, and that's for sure. We're born to be happy, and this is going to be the next step to happiness. This is going to be the next step in our journey together to making our lives happier. And I hope you sign up to my course. See you there. Не накрашена совершенно.